Hey Java devs, I'm Brian from Snyk and I have a small Java security tip for you. Always validate user input, as this might cause cross-site scripting issues or other unexpected behavior that might hurt you or your users. Cross-site scripting, or XSS, is a code vulnerability that occurs when an attacker injects a malicious script into an otherwise trusted website. The injected script gets downloaded and executed by the end user's browser when the user interacts with the compromised website. In this example, the input parameter is directly sent to the output writer. If the input parameter contains any JavaScript, then it may lead to a reflected cross-site scripting attack. You can use a library like the Encoder library from the OWASP Foundation to ensure the input is safe. Remember that you also need to do similar actions with data coming from a database. If this data contains a script and it is displayed on your web page, you may be the victim of a stored cross-site scripting attack. You need to prevent that your database is the single point of failure. You can use the OWASP Encoder library in a similar way to mitigate this issue. There are multiple ways to solve this issue, but the most important thing is that you catch these vulnerabilities early. A tool like Snyk can help you with this. Thanks for listening, and stay safe.